Hi guys, join Sue as she explores different Brother and Janome needle threaders at different price points.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game.
We tend to use straight stitch in the middle of the presser foot and the needle in its highest position, or the take up lever. So push the needle up, needle down once, and then again, and then the needle is in the correct position. Needle threader comes down, hook your thread under the thread guide, push down with your left finger and thumb, engage the needle threader into the needle, take the thread into the groove with a sweeping action, keeping it short and taut. Pull the loop out the back and under your presser foot. Ready to go.
At first glance, I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Into the groove, engage it into the number 7, come round to the number 8, press a foot down, push down number 9 and release.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
Into the groove, into the number 7, to the knife, cut, needle threader button, done.
When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Thread through the top thread guide, push the needle threader button, take the thread under the guide and around and under the locking device, up to the top and into the locking device at number 3, pull thread and hit the needle threader button again. Job done. Needle in its highest position. Needle in the center. Thread your machine. And then the needle threader comes down, pass the thread under the left thread guide, holding the needle threader down with your finger and thumb, pass the thread in front of the needle, sweep up, twist the needle threader towards you so that the assembly through the eye of the needle is going away from you, lift while releasing your right finger and thumb, come off the thread guide, and there's your loop. Needle on straight stitch in the middle of the presser foot and take up lever in its highest position. twist, thread under the left thread guide, in front of the needle, keeping the thread short and taut, twist the needle threader towards you and up. Needle threader stays down, hook the thread to the left hand thread guide, follow the arrow with your thread under the needle threader, lift your needle threader up and loosen your right hand. Grab the loop under the presser foot, over the knife, done. In the groove, over the knife, needle threader down, done.
Hey guys, something a bit different to usual. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button and the like button. Helps us out a lot. And we'll see you in the next one.